Hey everyone, welcome back to Highlights at Home. The theme of this collection of free digital fun with a purpose resources is back to school. We all know that Back to School 2020 will look different from every other year. But no matter how it looks, back to school is a new beginning, an important milestone in your child's life. We've created this collection to help you make starting school special. Now, think back. What was your favorite part of going back to school? For me, it was school supplies. There's nothing quite like the excitement and smell of a new box of crayons. If your child loves sharpening their pencils and filling their pencil case, they're going to love this collection, which has a school supply quiz to find out which school supply they are. Turns out, I'm a notebook. We've also included a special back-to-school hidden pictures puzzle called Fish School. For an added challenge, see if your child can solve this one without using the clues. After you're done, look at the picture together and talk about maybe what it might be like to attend an undersea school. Now, for kids who might have some back-to-school jitters, try imagining what it would be like to bring a pig to school with you. Our story, which can be sung to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb, follows a pet pig who goes to school, learns to oink the alphabet, and even gets his own tuba solo. Why not? This collection also features a back-to-school bingo card filled with great ideas on how to help get everyone organized for the new school year. One idea is to try telling stories or playing music after dinner as a lovely way to reconnect after a long, busy day. Finally, to encourage a love of reading, we're including directions on how to make a super fun, super simple spaceship bookmark to commemorate the start of a new school year. In the meantime, let us know how you're doing. Drop a note below and remember that no matter what, you've got this.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.